Hi, this is Dino reporting from Robert Moses Beach the day after our snowstorm, where we had about 20 inches overnight. First time I've been to the beach with this much snow on the ground, and it's pretty amazing actually. These are deer prints right here, so there's been some deer in the snow, probably looking for food. Robert Moses has deer. Poor guys. And these are picnic tables right here for barbecues, if anybody wants a barbecue. And I think I'm the only person here actually right now. I'm gonna walk up this. I think this is a sand dune right here I'm on top of. And it's quite an amazing sight right there. It looks like the sun's getting ready to set. We have the ocean, which looks pretty angry today. And I'll take it down to the beach. Yeah, these are definitely deer prints right here. I can't believe it. There's a surfer dude down there. Unbelievable. There we go. I don't know if you can see him. About 200 yards down. But it looks like he's getting ready to go surfing. Yeah, the beach suffered some serious erosion, it looks like, from the storm. But I'm sure it'll be fine in the summertime. It always comes back. Quite an amazing scene. It looks like Alaska over here on this side. And then you bring it around, and it looks like Hawaii. And there's a surfer dude, so it really looks like Hawaii now. There we go. Actually, it's like a guy standing with a surfboard, just staring at the water. So I don't know what that means. I don't know if he's going in or if he's just looking. Maybe I'll have to do an interview with him. Oh, that would be a great interview. That's quite a picture right there. Wow. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, looks like the surfer guy is making his way into the water here. He just dipped his board in the water. I don't know what that means. There's a lighthouse, if you guys can see it. Straight ahead. Uh-oh, he's coming towards me. Alright, I think I'll take him off the camera now. My lucky to be the serial killer. Try to make me his first male victim. Damn it. Okay guys, this is Dino reporting from Robert Moses Beach the day after the snowstorm, January 27th, 2011. And I will see you guys later. Monkey Boy out.